The reason I wrote the book, The Elements of Trial, and the reason Roger and I discussed doing this seminar is we both agree that trial, while it is infinitely complex and you can always get better and nobody is ever a master of the process, it's not that complicated. And part of the purpose of this seminar is to encourage all of you, even the ones who are going to trial frequently, to kind of overcome the resistance we all feel to going to trial. Every one of us. I mean, I'm sure Roger feels this way. Certainly, I'm always relieved when a trial settles and I don't have to go, even when I'm disappointed at the same time. And we drive ourselves crazy thinking it's this enormously complex process. You know, I've talked about this before with some of you. You know, you got to do a focus group, or preferably 5 or 6 focus groups, and you got to have great PowerPoints and visuals, and you have to have psychodramaed your client, and you know, and on and on and on. Well, you don't really have to do any of that, and what we're going to explore over the next 2 days is kind of simplifying things to some extent and talking about really simple techniques that you may or may not have been exposed to in the past to make it easier to just step into the courtroom.